Hello students, this is your instructional video for how to use BandLab to take your Chrome Music Lab assignments to the next step. You'll first need to log into BandLab if you haven't done that yet. In order to do that, use this join code here. If it asks you for a code, this is it. It's right here in the assignment. That should be easy to do. Next, you'll want to pull up one of your Chrome Music Lab projects. I'm going to take this one. That was the example from assignment 4. And sometimes if you want to save, you'll need to save it again in order to do this. So I like to make one change and then undo it. And I hit the save button. I'm looking for this download MIDI button, which wasn't working in class the other day, but it should be working now. And if it isn't, just let me know and I can email your MIDI file to you. Once you hit download MIDI, it puts a MIDI file in your downloads folder, which once you go to BandLab, you want to look for the create button and it'll open up a new BandLab project. Don't do guitar or bass here at the beginning. I assume you don't have a way to plug in a guitar or bass into your computer or Chromebook, whatever you're using. If you do, that's great. The next step is to click right here where it says drag a loop or audio MIDI file, and you'll want to select the file that you just saved and open it. And you'll get 2 tracks, one for the drums and one for the piano or whatever instrument you were using. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a track, maybe an instrument. And down here, I can select what kind of instrument that is down in the lower left-hand corner. I'm going to use a synth lead. I like the 80 square lead, but there's all sorts of options here. Let's try a dance lead and see what that sounds like. That's nice. Okay, we'll use that. And now that we're in here, we can use all sorts of copy and paste options. I'm going to right click this. You can Control C to copy it. I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to paste it right down here. I'm going to move it over so that it's in alignment with the other tracks. And what I'm going to do is if I double click this, you see it shows me the notes. But this is an interface kind of like Chrome Music Lab. What you can do in here though, unlike Chrome Music Lab, is you can do select and copy and paste. The select tool is this arrow right here. You can also make this region bigger by dragging it from right around here. I'm going to take out, I'm going to zoom out here with the, there we go, magnifying glass. Make sure I'm at the beginning, yep. And then I'm going to take out my chords. It's polite enough to play all the notes as I select them. And I'm going to delete them. So now what I have is I've isolated my, couple more, isolated my melody and put them in there with my, yeah, I put it into a different instrument. Let's see what it sounds like. There we go. Make sure I'm in the place I want to paste. I'm going to go copy and paste. So I've copied all these over. And I can go in and add to my drum parts. I don't like the sound that it's using for my drum. So I'm going to change that to be a snare drum instead of a clap. A clap's okay, but I'm going to find a sound that I like better. There we go. Change the volume of each individual track right here. Maybe I want my piano a little quieter. I want my drums a little louder. I want my synth lead a little quieter so that my drums can come out a bit. So once you're done, make sure you hit that save button. Give it a name. Call it Chrome Transfer. And cool thing here is you can actually turn in, instead of a link, what you can turn in is a file. So if I go to File up here, I say Download, I say Mixdown As. It's going to create a mixdown, so I'll wait, give it time, let it process. Then I can choose how I want to download it. Any of these MP3s will work for me. I like high quality MP3. Highest quality is the one necessary for our purposes. And say download. And bam, I got an MP3. Now I can turn that in my assignment, upload this MP3 straight into Canvas when I submit. So I'll be looking for file uploads, this file submission. Good luck with that. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need help getting your MIDI in there. You can always find me in my office hours for help with this. And I'll see you soon.